Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Vikas Shinde. I work in a Vishwaniketan Institute which is located in Raigad district, Maharashtra. It is located in between Pune and Mumbai. I work as a director there. Also, I work as a professor in mechanical engineering department. The reason why I am here is just I want to discuss something about engineering education in India. Friends, we are aware that engineering education is now not been considered as a best profession. But sometimes I wonder why it is so. Because when I talk to my friends, I ask my friends that do you really don't require engineers as such? They laughingly say it is not like that. We require engineers, but we don't want such engineers which you are producing as from education system. When I realize this, why they are saying like this, the fact is they are correct because the education system which we are following is outdated in a sense that the system we are following is been practiced since centuries. The industry has moved forward, community has moved forward, technology has been changing, but if you see the education in India is not being changed as much. So the fact is that education is more theoretical in India, and that theoretical education doesn't produce competent engineers. So the myth is that engineering profession it's changed. The requirement has been changed, but education is not changed. So the ultimate courtesy is that industry requires something else and education systems train students different way. So what is the solution there? Solution is one solution I would say it's a project based learning approach. In project based learning approach, the students has to work on the projects, and when they do the projects their skills gets enhanced. It is proven fact. Vishwaniketan is a place where PBL has been practiced since 6 years continuously. We have developed a different project based learning models. Through these models we promote students to develop their skills. Say for example, in a course level project based learning approach, students learn how to apply the content which is they have learned from their courses. In value addition PBL model, we train them on different future technologies. With that future technologies which are industry based, they are getting placed in the industries. In an industrial PBL, we target industrial problems. Students work on industrial problems and they give the solutions to the industry. And we also have one international model where we send our students for 42 days in 14 different universities, international universities. And through that international universities, our students work with foreign university professors. They work on future technologies, and with that future technologies, they come back in India and they work wonders for Indian systems. So with this system, we have been experimenting last 6 years, and we are very much sure that this kind of a system is really helpful for our Indian system. Mind you, our students are bright. Mind you, our brains are being respected all over the world. The only thing is that we need to provide our students a right kind of environment. Vishwaniketan is a place where you get one-stop solution. You know, when you work on a PBL environment, what are the chances? You end up with good products. You end up with innovations. You end up with business processes. As a part of fact, if you end up with these products, you can patent it. Imagine a student in engineering having a patent. And once you have a patent, you can think of starting your own business. Vishwaniketan is a place where a trained human resource is available. We are not saying this because we have been researching on it. We are experimenting over the PBL. Not many institutes in India work on PBL environment. They do not research. They only practice PBL. At Vishwaniketan, we have created an ecosystem to develop students as competent engineers. And not only that, we have created the systems. We have financial support system also. If any student produces a patent, any student is willing to found his company, Vishwaniketan has dedicated centers. One of the center is a project-based learning center of excellence, where I look after. There is another center is Vishwaniketan Incubation Center, in which we try to develop a business modeling, and we create a startups. I am very happy to share with you that Vishwaniketa Incubation Center so far has guided 14 startups. Within a very short span of time, Vishwaniketan has gained its international reputation. International reputation in a sense that we have MOUs, Memorandum of Understanding, with 14 international universities from USA, Europe, Asia, and so on. So with this kind of a system, we welcome all of you to visit Vishwaniketan, see the PBL models, realize how PBL is helpful to our students, and make a appropriate decision. Engineering is not good. The engineering is not bad as that has been seen. The way the education is being given in an engineering education system is a bad. PBL is the answer, and Vishwaniketan is a place where it is being practiced very nicely. Come visit Vishwaniketan once. Thank you.